5 Best Wet Vacuums. The item number 5 is Stanley Wet Dry Vacuum. The Stanley SL18129 Portable Stainless Steel Series 4-gallon 4 peak horsepower wet or dry vacuum cleaner features high-performance motor, provides maximum power. Lightweight compact design for easy carrying. 10 feet power cord with cord wrap designed for easy organized and storage. The item number 4 is Vacmaster 12-gallon, versatile and powerful Vacmaster detachable blower. Wet, dry vac easily converts from a standard wet, dry vac to a detachable blower. Features: 12-gallon polypropylene tank, 5 peak HP, detachable blower function with 1 button easy release, 210 miles per hour blower speed, 7-foot x 2.5-inch hose. The item number 3 is ShopBack 5,989,408 gallon 6.0. ShopBack Wet Dry Vacuum includes 7x 1.25 inches hose, 3 extension wands, 10 inches wet dry nozzle, gulper nozzle, crevice tool, cartridge filter, foam sleeve, and filter bag. This unit features top carry handle, rear blower port, and positive latch system. The item number 2 is ShopBack 5,989,305 gallon 4.5. ShopBack Wet Dry Vacuum includes 7x 1.25 inches hose, 3 extension wands, 10 inches wet dry nozzle, gulper nozzle, crevice tool, cartridge filter, foam sleeve, and filter bag. This unit features top carry handle, rear blower port, and positive latch system. The item number 1 is Armor All 2.5 gallon. This Armor All utility vac is specifically designed to clean the interior of your car. It handles both wet and dry pickup, includes all accessories needed for complete interior cleaning, and easily converts to a blower to dry motorcycles, car grills and wheels.